name is Rahil and I am your trainer of Blender for beginners. And in this video, we are going to make Thor hammer with the lightning. You don't understand? I will show you what I am going to make in this video. Let's go in the edit mode. Click select box selection and click this and up it like this. How we made the hammer in previous video, and we want to extrude it without doing any loop cut, so press I like this and wait, select this edge and this and scale it up. Okay, like this. Click here, wait, select box selection, click here and now extrude it. Okay, it's looking like an Thor hammer, and we need to big this like how it's look like this. It's not looking like a Thor hammer. Here also and extrude down it. Okay, and here also like this. And we are going to fat it. So let's extrude it here. Okay, how it's looking, comment down and please like, share, subscribe. How I forget it, for the more educational videos. Okay, it's looking like an Thor hammer now, and I think we can extrude this also. So let's extrude like this. Okay, it's perfect. So let's go in the object. We in object mode. Wait, I forget one thing. Click here and click here also and extrude it because okay, it's good now. And here also click here and here also. And instead is this instead or what I wait instead this. What is going on here? Click this, this. Press I. Oh, man. Okay, we cannot. So let's extrude it outer. No, it's looking bad. I want to delete it. It's looking so bad. Delete. Add here one cube and edit mode. And let's extrude. I'm not able to make here also one extrude. Okay, and here one. Okay, it's done. Click here. Instead of this, how I make that way. Okay, and let's extrude here as well as and here. and it's not looking like an perfect. Okay, click here, click, 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 and extrude. Okay, 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 okay. This one is missed. Wait, click here and extrude this. It's looking like an paint brush that painters keep with they keep. Okay, but we are not making a paintbrush. That's why I am extruding this side also. Okay, let's extrude. In the edit mode, all work is a extrude only. Okay, it's done almost. And I want to deselect this all. Why Muner is so hard to make? In the previous video I made Muner. Why in this video is going hard? What happened to this? Mm, okay, 7. 7 for the up view guys. Arey yaar, I can't able to make. Delete it. Whole video is going on this. Okay. Go in edit mode. Click here. Extrude it. Extrude this also, guys. Click here. Click is that. Extrude it out. Extrude here and extrude here and click here. Click, 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 click. It's our. What happened to my voice? From here, it's looking Muner. Let's make here also a Muner part. Okay, circle selection with circle selection. Okay, and I'm going to wait. What happens to this, man? Okay, and I'm going to extrude along normals and let's wait, it's not extruding guys. Holy, it's extrude. And now it's time to extrude this stick over stick. Shift, wait, shift, click shift. What happening? I'm doing this. Okay, like this. Okay, it's looking Muner now, and I want to smooth it out. Wait, and now I'm going to bevel it. What's happened now? Okay, It's good now. Click here and I am going to extrude it out like this. Like this. It's I'm making an keychain of this, but it's not looking like an keychain. Oh no, shit, guys! I want to delete these faces now. Delete face. Delete face. Delete face. Okay, it's done. Yep. Go to object mode. It's good. Let's turn it like this. I felt mistake here. Oh shit. No, I have done here a mistake. Why? Okay, I'm not gonna fix that mistake here because all whole video is going on this here. So let's add one cube here. Okay, let's extrude it. Extrude it. Click here, extrude, and okay, control R. Click here, like this. Click here. Wait. Click here. Click. Okay, I'm making thunder, guys. Here, here. I'm making just a thunderbolt icon. Okay. Okay, it's looking like a thunderbolt. Wow, 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 wow. For the more realisticness, I'm going to scale it like this. Okay, it's done. Okay, I'm placing the beside of the hammer. Oh, wait. Okay, like this. We want to scale it because it's bigger than Muner. How Muner can handle this? Muner cannot handle this. Okay, okay, this much is okay. Okay, let's copy it with the Shift D. Shift D and Shift D. It's done. Let's place it on the positions. Mark your positions, Thunder. But I want to place one here for the logo, but it can't be done. And I'm doing just what I want to do with this. Okay, let's move it like this. It's taken too time. Okay, guys. Okay. Like this, like this. No, no, up, no. Like this. And this. I want to place it, rotate it like this, and here I want to place it, and here also I want to place it. This air sound is coming from my PC, like this. Okay, you can see it's looking good, and I'm gonna shift, go to material for the color it, because thunders is look like blue in blue color, and I'm going to color it like a blue because I love blue and I like blue also. Okay, let's color it blue. This blue. I want to try an experiment on this, but it's failed. I am making Mjolnir of Thor Love and Thunder. Okay, and Thor Love and Thunder. So hammer is broken, and I am also breaking it. Ah, ah, what it's going? Oh shit, guys! Wait, press enter, and select this. Go to object mode, select this, come to edit mode, and where is the knife tool? Over here, like this. How hella broke this? This 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 wait, this this and this. Press enter. Enter. Let's select this. Now it's looking like an broken. Okay, good. And let's color it. I'm gonna color it. How Muners look like actually, I don't know. Okay, this color is good. So that's for the today's, guys. So make sure you like this video, and please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to share and click the what we say bell icon to the all for the more updates of my new video, and subscribe to my channel for the more educational videos. So bye bye, take stay safe, keep learning. Bye bye.